accentuated with diamonds, designed by Tito George. Her motto in life is to become the first gay president. That candidate number 1 is Maria Venus. And her gun is designed by Abby Pangilinan. Let's give her a big round of applause. Candidate number 1 is Venus Rock. Her car was designed by Rudy Saclao Jr. Let's give her a big round of applause to Ms. Iwa Moto, candidate number 2. Candidate number 2. Let's call on candidate number 3, Ms. Barbie Fortesa. Barbie Fortesa wearing a velvet black gown with red glitters shining splendid. Her motto in life: beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Her gown was designed by Kong Kong Smith. Oh, basta pa. Foreigner, foreigner. Thank you very much for her gown designed by Kong Kong Smith once again. Okay, thank you very much, candidate number 3, Ms. Barbie Fortesa. Let's call on candidate number 4, Ms. Beyonce Knowles, our singing sensation. Miss Beyonce Knowles. Her motto power comes great responsibility.
Superman.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, her gown designed by our late President, Ms. Cory Aquino. Bravo, dear. Thank you very much, candidate number 5, Ms. Mariel Rodriguez, designed her gown by Ms. Cory Aquino. Let's call in candidate number 6, Ms. Ann Curtis, our Showtime girl. Her motto in life is what we make it. Her gown was designed by Daphne Yumun. Are one of the famous DS here in San Miguel. The Cyber Queen.
Cyber Queen. Thank you very much, Ms. Ann Curtis, candidate number 6. Let's call on all our candidates come up on the stage, starting candidate number 1. Anash Mashogal, candidate number 1. Bilis! Beijing, Ms. Venus Ra. Okay, starting candidate number 1, she changed the gown designed by Aline Briones. Following candidate number 2, Ms. Iwa Moto. Designed her gown by Ms. Candy Pineda. Following candidate number 3, candidate